channel Toytalepixels. I am Lola, your friend.
And I am Jojo Boo. And today we're going to learn about colors, numbers, and what is forklift.
Hooray! So let's begin with the forklift. Hey kids! Say hello to Anna. She is Anna. Anna is very smart and she loves her work. She stays busy arranging things and she helps Thomas a lot. Her phone is ringing. Tin, 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 tin. Today Anna will send the forklift to arrange inventory. This is forklift. A red forklift. A red forklift lifting the heavy boxes. A red forklift moving forward and backward. A red forklift loading the truck. A red forklift moving forward and backward. A red forklift lifting the heavy boxes. A red forklift loading the truck. Forklift is a very helpful machine. It helps us to move the heavy packages here and there. A red forklift lifting the heavy boxes. A red forklift moving forward and backwards. Forklift has completed its work. Say bye-bye to little red forklift.
So cool. I don't think kids will ever forget forklift name.
Yes, Jojo, this is what we want. So kids keep remember the names.
So all the heavy boxes were loaded to a truck and now they're on a shop. Should we check them?
Woohoo! Yes, it's a great idea. We will go to the shop and check everything. Get ready, kids, to remember new names. Say hello to Peter. Peter is going to hardware shop to buy things for Thomas. Kids, let's help Peter to find all the things he needs. A trowel, T-R-O-W-E-L. Screwdriver. That was amazing! Peter bought so many things, like trowel.
Yes, and screwdrivers.
Yes, paintbrush and woodcutter.
Plug socket and light bulb.
Let's see what Peter is gonna do with all those things.
Thomas and Peter are about to paint their garden fence. But before everything, they must cut the woods to make the fences. Thomas and Peter going to cut the wood. Thomas has a saw for cutting the plywood. And Peter has wood cutter. Thomas and Peter both started working and helping each other. Remember, kids, life can be easier when you help each other, so always give your helping hand to others. Kids, would you also help them in counting the pieces of plywood? Nice! Work is done! Let's count the woods now. Kids, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's fix all of them together. With the help of nail and screw, don't forget your screwdriver, kids. Thomas has a hammer, and Peter has screwdriver. Hammer is for nails. Bang, bang, bang. Now it's Peter's turn. Peter took the screw, woohoo. It's Peter's turn now. And don't forget that screwdrivers are for screw. And now Peter's screwing the screw. Don't be confused, kids. Screwing the screw. All the pieces of fence are fixed together. Polish the fence before the paint. Polish the fence before the paint. Now let's paint the fence. Repeat with me, kids. Red. Green. Orange. Yellow. Light green. Blue. Purple.
Wow, what a fun time we had today. Did you have fun too?
We learned so much and had so many adventures together.
We're so happy you joined us. Remember, every day is a new adventure, and we can't wait to share it with you.
And don't forget, friends, if you want more fun with us, just come back and watch again.
And if you liked today's adventure, give us a big thumbs up. Can you do that?
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can join us every time we have something fun to do.
Thanks for playing and learning with us today. We'll see you really soon.
Bye-bye, friends. Keep smiling and stay curious.
See you next time on Toy Tale Pixels. Bye!